This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Located within minutes of downtown Edmond, in walking distance to Ida Freeman Elementary, half block from the splash pad and Chitwood Park, custom duplex packed with upgrades. Featuring waterproof LVP, luxury vinyl plank, throughout the unit, beamed vaulted ceiling and large flex living room, powder bath for guests, kitchen packed with upgrades including gas range, built-in microwave, farmer sink, pantry for storage, subway tile and backsplash and a breakfast bar, Jack and Jill bathroom with tub/shower combo, spacious ensuite master with crown molding and ceiling fan, master bath with double vanities, custom mirror and glass storage, tiled shower, easy access to inside utility area, re-entry oversized garage with exterior keypad and storm shelter, garage openers and floored attic for storage.